Hey crew, welcome back for this week's episode of SailingAnteros. If you're just tuning in, welcome to the channel. I hope you enjoy. Last week, I finally turned my dream of sailing around the world into a reality by purchasing a 1985 Catalina 36 sailboat. There is still much to do and tons of ideas for refitting the sailboat into my personal home on the water. I'm super excited to start this week's project off with high spirits as we get ready to tame the high seas. But first, there is some business to take care of to ensure we stay on task. So, let's get right into the sailboat business. Hey guys, so I had to take a break from the water holding tank because it started actually like downpouring. And as you guys can kind of see, like it's all super wet right now. It kind of let up a little bit, but we ran into some more problems. And as I was down here like working and everything while it was raining, I actually started hearing like dripping, and it turns out that one of the things that I wanted to do was change out the windows eventually and redo the seal and everything and the gasket around the inside of the window. And good thing I wanted to do that because it is completely just pouring down in all different spots. So it let up a little bit, but it was dripping here. It was dripping over there where the white tape is over that way. It was right now, you can actually see it. It's dripping down from like the window down here. So, and then it was also dripping down from my nut plates too as well. So I had to put a towel there, and now it's just dripping down here. And then it was also coming in. I don't know if you guys literally just saw that drip down. I think it's coming from this one. Yeah, it's coming from this one right here. So there's a few spots that it's really coming down from, and then it was also dripping from this window too, which doesn't even have a seal in it, and this part's broken. So there's a lot of things that are going wrong right now, and I don't know what to do, and I can't do anything like to actually fix it until it stops raining, and it's supposed to be raining all week. So like the water outside is actually like 1.5 feet higher than it usually is. So there's not much I can really do as of right now. Just hope that it stops raining so that way we can fix these things. But we're definitely gonna have those added onto the project list. Well, because we can't have a boat that leaks. All right, so while it's raining, I thought there'd be no better time, I guess, to actually start planning all of the projects we have to do before I get out and before we can actually start sailing to different places like Florida, the Bahamas, and stuff like that. So I went to the store and I got, first thing, Post-it notes, 4 colors, 4 categories. And the second thing, handy dandy Sharpies, 3 colors. Don't know if I'm gonna use different colors. I don't know yet. But anyway, so I figured let's actually start planning and trying to, I guess, wait out this weather, and so we can do some of the projects to help stop the leaking boat, and also to become more organized, because, you know, why not? pretty clear, so that's pretty good. So I just finished the list for all the projects we got going on, and I based them off of, as I said, the exterior, interior, electrical, and of course future projects or upgrades. So let's go ahead and take a look real quick at the list. So first, exterior, we got all the fiberglass, resealed windows, pulpits, fiberglass sand down, blisters, nut plates rebedded, cutlass bearing, wood rails, rig the jib, put a name on the boat, and a few other things. Interior, we got new floors, countertops, gimbal stove, wood trim, new door hinges. I want to put a rope around the mast or something to make it look more decorative. Clean out the water tanks, new curtains, clean out the head, fix light fixtures, and fit the table to where it's foldable because it's like way too big. Electrical, not much, but I know this one is definitely going to get more, I guess, longer. So we got refrigerator, compressor, rewire lights, wind and speed instruments, old fuses, possibly water pressure pump, and also water heater. Don't know about those, got to troubleshoot them. For future upgrades, we got solar panels, anchor windlass, solar controller, new inverter, upgrade the battery bank, and overhead mast lights so that way they can shine down on the deck. So I think that's pretty much all the upgrades I want to do eventually in time, but just to get it ready to sail, so that way when I get out in a year and some change, that we actually have a full working boat that is leak proof. But as you can tell from the bad weather, we actually had a lot of leaking, so that's probably going to be the first thing we do, because it is wet, and I was laying down and I was getting wet. So that's gonna be the first one. So I hope you guys like the list. If you guys think of anything else to put on the list that you guys have done or that helped your sailboat, please do let me know. We can add it to the list, and I'll even put your name for whoever suggested it on the little sticky note, and that way you can be on the wall of tasks. But anyway.